everyone. It's me, Terri of the Yarnjoy podcast. How's everybody doing? Did you have a great weekend? We had a pretty busy weekend. We went to my mom's and I took her shopping to get groceries and helped her out with a few things. And my husband cut the grass. In fact, he cut the grass at my mom's house and he also cut his parents' grass as well. So yes, it was a big productive day that day. What else? I babysat on Friday evening. My husband went to a memorial service. Well, he helped usher, and so he was helping out with that. But I was here and I babysat, and we always I have such a wonderful time with my grandbaby. And then, so what else? Been working on my projects. On Monday, I had a doctor's appointment, just my yearly checkup with my thyroid doctor, and that went pretty well. And I have my is it biannually? Is that how you say it? Every 2 years, I have my bone density scan, and it was okay. And let's see, so what else? Just been working on my projects, like I said. I've been working on that cat that, I made the bunny last time. Well, I had mentioned that I was going to make a cat. Yeah, I showed you because I had only had the back feet done. Well, I've got the more of the body done. In fact, I'll go ahead and show you. I'll show it again tomorrow, but I'll go ahead and show it here. So here's my cat so far. I'm working up to the head. I got to the point where I need to put in the eyes, and I have these eyes. They are called cat eyes, but they're not. They're almost, the pupils are almost round. They're not really. What do you call that? Oval, like cat eyes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use those. I might just go ahead and just use the regular solid black safety eyes and then, snazz them up a little bit with some eyelashes or something. I don't know. But I haven't secured them in yet. I wanted to go ahead and make the muzzle, which is going to be white. And so I need to make the muzzle right here first, because I want to get that on there, and then I will know like how far apart to put the eyes. I want to space them in the right spot in relationship to the muzzle. And I think the pattern does tell me like what row to insert the eyes, but it doesn't, or between what 2 rows, but it doesn't say like how many spaces apart. And so I want to make sure that I have them in the right spot and there's plenty of room to stitch the muzzle on. So I'm going to make the muzzle first. So that's why I have stopped right there. And so I will get the muzzle, put it on, get the eyes where I want them, and decide what eyes I want to use. And then I will finish off the head, and then I have the ears to make, and the tail, and the tail has a little white tip on the end, and then it's this yellow gold color. Anyway, it's coming along. I think it's gonna be cute. It looks almost like a gingerbread man or something right now. But yeah, so there's that. And let's see, I've been working on the Christmas Eve wishes blanket. I have about 3 more rows to go on that to do my quota of, doing 7 rows a week. And so I need to get 3 more rows done on that. And that's about it. I did a little section on the diamond painting, so I'll show you that tomorrow. I'll show you what progress I've made on that. And I've been working on the cross stitch. In fact, it's sitting right here. I guess I can go ahead and show you that too. Hope you don't mind getting a repeat tomorrow. But, look and see, I found this frame. I forgot I had it. And it works really well. I was able to get it stretched on there and snapped on. And so, yeah, let me take this off so I don't make a mess. Okay. So that's where I'm working. There's my cross stitch. I've been working right here, this little swirl of water around the bum. And yeah, finishing up a little bit of that right there. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's what I've done so far on that. But I'm really liking it, except that this is 18 count, which is very tiny. And now that I'm older than when I started this. It's super tiny. And so I'm having a hard time seeing it without like a really bright light on it. I was showing you that neck light that I used last time, that I was using before. So that helps for me to be able to see it. But I've also just did another collaboration with VIP Cross Stitch, and I requested 3 different items off their website, and whenever I get them, of course, I will do unboxing on it. But one of the things I ordered was some glasses that have magnifying and, well, it's not glasses. It's, you put it on your head. And I know it's gonna look dorky, but anyway, there's a light on it, and then there's some lenses, and you can change out the lenses to what magnification that you need. And so I'm going to be using that when I'm working on that. And so nobody will see me except for my husband, and he's used to me being dorky sometimes. So anyway, I think it's going to help a lot. So anyway, so that's what I'm doing with that. And so let's go ahead and I will show you my progress on the Rusty the Giraffe blanket, okay? So last time I showed you, make sure I'm showing you the front. Turn it over. Okay, so the last time I showed you, I was right where this marker is right here. So I've gone from here all the way up. That's how much I've done. Plus I've weaved in the ends. So let me go ahead and hold it up here. So this is going to be the head of the giraffe. And so I've gotten to the widest point of it, as you can see right there. You might have saw a little bit of Teddy walk by. And then, so now I am going in and I'm about to, you know, make like the top of the hat. So that's my progress on it. Yeah, so actually, and another milestone I've made on this blanket is the fact that I have finished the grass part. Yeah, so I'm glad, because I was really running out of the, let's see, I think it was this lighter green. I only had a very small ball of that left. And oh, well, even the medium thyme, the dark thyme, the dark green, I only have a small, 2 little small balls of that. So, I was rushing through it trying to see if I needed to make a trip to Joann's to get more of that green color, either one. But I had just enough, well, a little left over. But now I am ready to add the blue and then continue, of course, with the head. I'll pop in a picture right here so you can see what it's going to look like, and you'll see the blue part up at the top. So there's the picture of the blanket right there. Okay, and so yeah, I've got up to I'm finished with the green, the grass area, and now I'm gonna start the blue. And like I said, I've got all the ends weaved in except for the very last one. That's where I connect, right there. That's where I connect, you know, the next color. And so the colors that I'm working on now is, of course, for the giraffe, I'm still using the Red Heart Super Saver Lemon for the yellow part of the giraffe, and then the brown is the Cafe Latte, all Red Heart Super Saver. And then, so I was able to got my blue colors out, so because I'm ready to start them. The darker, is this the darker one? Yeah, the darker one is Light Periwinkle, Red Heart Super Saver, and the light, which will be outlining the blue, is this, and it's called Light Blue. So those are the 2 colors that I'm going to be working with next. So I'm really happy with the way it's coming along. Of course, I will be using the yellow and the brown to make the, like, I think there's like a muzzle piece that I have to attach to the front, and the ears, of course, and the little horn. They're not horns, but there's a word for those little things. But I can't think of it now. But anyway, those I will be in the Cafe Latte, and I believe, yeah, there's a mane that I have to attach on the other side. Anyway, so there it is. And somebody was wondering how come my, I think, maybe I've talked about this before, but anyway, I'll just briefly mention it. My giraffe is, as you can see, is coming from, I gotta look, the right side of the blanket, you know, like the body is over here when you're looking at the front, and which is opposite from what the pattern says, or I mean the picture of the pattern. I think there's the giraffe is like coming from yeah, left-hand side. Well, it's because I'm left-handed, and so I read things different. Backwards, like backwards. Well, but you would think that, well, it's the chart, right? Yeah, I'm reading the chart opposite direction than right-handers do, and that's why. But I still think it's going to be cute. It don't matter. Okay, so there is my progress on that. I can't remember what row I'm on. Oh, yes, wait, I'm on 80 something, I think 80, 82 or somewhere around there. And I forget what the total number of rows are. It's in the pattern, but I don't remember. But anyway, so that's going well. And I think that is it. I still have a preemie hat I need to get started on. I've got the pattern downloaded. It's going to be a baby Groot hat. I think it's going to be cute, hopefully. I had to size it down, of course, because it's a 0 to 3 month size, and I have to size it down to preemie size. So hopefully that won't cause me trouble. I'll probably use DK weight yarn instead of worsted weight, and that will help also. So but anyway, I got to get started on that. Maybe this evening I will try to get maybe the beanie part of that hat done. I need to do 3 more rows on the Christmas Eve wishes blanket, and then, yeah, and then weave in some ends, and then that will be finished for this week. And then I may go ahead and try to get that beanie done, the beanie part for that preemie hat. Sorry, I keep making noise. It's the legs of this chair. Anyway, yeah, I think that's it. Tell me below in the description box what everybody's been working on. Oh, there's Teddy. Did you see him? Anyway, now you can, I don't know how much you can see, but I can see his back end. Anyway, yeah, tell me what you're working on and if you finished anything exciting. Yeah, the temperatures have been in the 90s this week instead of the 100s, so that's like a cold spell for us, just about. But it was very nice this morning. I walked out with the dog in the backyard, kind of walking around looking at things, and there was a little bit of a breeze, and the breeze actually was not hot. It was cool. It's hot out there right now, but it was a nice cool breeze this morning for a little while, so that was a treat. Yeah. I guess that's it, really. I don't have no idea what's for dinner. I know I need to make something, but I don't know what it's going to be yet. I have some chicken in there. I might do something with that. I have no idea. But anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. We're halfway through the week already. Can you believe that? Oh, there's my phone. I mean, my watch. Let me go ahead and silence that. Okay, that's my friend Amy. She sent me a message. I have to see what she's up to today. Anyway, yes, I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday, and come back tomorrow and we will have another visit, and I will show you some of these things again, and but also my Christmas Eve wishes blanket that I didn't show you yet. And yeah, we'll see what else I can show you for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to go, and I hope you have a wonderful evening this evening, and come back tomorrow. We'll have another visit for in the regular Yarnjoy podcast episode video. So until then, we'll see you later in the next video. Bye-bye.